Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire on your mobile device. Start by downloading a Solitaire application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, launch the game to begin. The main goal is to move all cards to the 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. You'll see the tableau, where most of the cards are dealt, along with the stock pile for drawing new cards and the waste pile for discarded cards. It's a classic game, perfect for a quick mental break. In the tableau, you can build columns by placing cards in descending order and alternating colors. For example, a red 7 can go on a black 8. You can also move entire sequences of cards together from one tableau column to another. If you run out of moves, simply tap the stock pile to draw new cards, usually 3 at a time, into the waste pile, opening up new possibilities. To improve your game, always prioritize revealing hidden cards in the tableau first. This opens up more options and helps you uncover crucial cards. Remember, an empty tableau column can only be filled with a king or a sequence starting with a king. Also, be strategic about moving cards to the foundation piles. Sometimes, a card is more useful in the tableau for building sequences. You win the game by successfully moving all 52 cards to the 4 foundation piles, each sorted by suit from ace to king. Many mobile solitaire apps offer customization options. You can personalize your experience by choosing different card designs, backgrounds, and even adjusting the game's difficulty. Some apps let you switch between drawing 1 card or 3 cards from the stock pile, offering varied challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.